Yeah, this is not science at all. This is just cooking at this point. This is not science. Oh wow, that's a lot of milk. Oh wow! It's getting lumpy. Okay, I'm sorry. The sacred microwave. This is kind of sweet. Also, like a bit metallic. Hi everyone. So we are back with another science video. At this point, this isn't really science, is it? So today we're gonna make yogurt. Yeah, this is not science at all. This is just cooking at this point. This is not science. So yeah, basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna make yogurt. We got eggs, gelatin. We got something in the freezer. We're gonna get that. Boiling water, thermometer. Basically, we're just gonna. Oh my god. Basically, we're just gonna heat that up. Wait, we're gonna clean it. And cup, spoon. Ah, it's sticky! Scissors, rubber bands, and plastic. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first, we need to heat this thing up to clean it. But we already did that. So next, what we're going to do. Is this on? How do I turn this? Oh, hold on. There you go. So now we're gonna open this milk. Hold on. Ah! Okay, so we're gonna pour this in here, I think. Oh wow, that's a lot of milk. Good. Alright, that's it. So basically now what we gotta do is we gotta heat it. So let's put this thing in. Okay, so be right back. So I'm gonna put this in. Letuk.
Iya, sudah meletup.
No. Hampir na.
Sudah mulai panas loh. Bahasanya ini bahasa mama.
Dah tuh. Ini, how do I turn it off? Ini ya. Okay, so now the milk has heated up. Okay, we gotta be very careful. It is heated up to 35 degrees Celsius. So now we're gonna take this small cup. Okay, I'm just gonna.
Wait.
Okay, so the milk has finished boiling. It is now. Let's check. Where's the thermometer? It should be at least. Alright, we're good. 35 degrees. So now. Oh, it smells. It smells like milk. Normal. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take out this gelatin. I think we have to pour the whole thing. Yeah. Okay. So it's already. It's my name. Okay. So now we just pour the whole thing, I guess. And we're just gonna pour this in. Get it out. Out! No, stop! Yeah, there you go. And now we just stir. Just stir the gelatin and the milk together. Oh wow! It's getting lumpy. Okay, I'm sorry. So we went and there's like no more lumps, etc.
Diputer sampai apa dia, Pak?
Enggak ada lumpnya kayak gitu. Okay. Oh wow! It's getting lumpy. Okay, so it's like hardening. Look at that. After you've mixed your gelatin and your milk, make sure it is. It's taking a while. But make sure it is 40 degrees Celsius. So I'm just gonna wait around here. This won't take a while. Alright, so make sure it's 40 degrees. Maximum is 45. But after that, you're gonna wanna pour this into the jar. Just milk. But after that, you're gonna get some yogurt starter. I don't know what this is. It's Japanese for some reason. Wait, no, it's Chinese. It's Chinese. But when you're gonna get this, make sure if you have your yogurt starter, make sure you put it in the fridge for at least an hour to activate the bacteria inside it. So this. Okay, it's really hard to open. Oh, hold on. There you go. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna pour it all inside the milk. Some more. And for that, you're gonna want to stir again. Oh, that's so cool. Alright, so once you've stored your milk in the jar, hold on before we put it in. Make sure it's still at the right temperature. If not, then you may want to heat it again, but let's check. Alright, so basically we're just waiting for the thermometer to heat up, just, to tell the reading. Hopefully it'll still be at the correct temperature by then. Okay, should be at least 40, but that's alright if it's not, because we're gonna do something that'll probably reheat it again. So we're gonna wrap the jar in a plastic sheet, or you can use a plastic bag. It is your choice. Make sure there's no air entering the. Make sure you want to really do it tight. There you go. After that, you're gonna wrap it in some kind of cloth. You can use a handkerchief, a napkin, etc. And after that, you're gonna use some rubber bands. Hold on. But you're gonna use some rubber bands, and I'm gonna use some rubber bands, and make sure it's closed like this. And after that, you're gonna wrap them around. Make sure no air will enter the jar. There you go. It's protected. So now what we are going to do is that you can use a oven or a microwave for this. But what you're gonna do, make sure you have parent or adult supervision for this. Okay, so you're gonna want to preheat it for 5 minutes. So basically we're gonna wait for 5 minutes and wait until it's preheated. So you just gotta wait a bit. Okay, so once it has been 5 minutes, you can open your microwave, and it should be like kind of hot. So after that, you don't need to turn on the microwave or anything. You can turn it off, but it should be heated of some sorts. So you can leave your jar. You can leave your jar in there. So now we just gotta wait for the fermenting process to begin. It should take a minimum of 18 hours. Maybe you could like take a nap or something, and the next day you could check. And then like the next day when you come home from school, you could check on the jar. So we're gonna have to wait. So. So we have waited a day, I guess, 18 hours, I'm not really sure, but it is now the next day. More than a day, I think. Yeah, probably more than a day, but now it is the next day, and so now we are going to go open the sacred microwave. No, it dropped! I don't care if it's red, let's just open it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. There it is. Did it got microwave? It still smells like milk. Alright, so now we shall open it. And so basically now we're gonna open the jar and see if it worked. So,
Can we call the jar of doom?
the jar of doom. Okay, you do the second rubber band. I'll do the third rubber band.
This
And now you do the fourth rubber band.
I am.
Okay, be very careful. Continue.
It looks like it
It's
hasn't.
still liquid. Oh, it's kinda, it's kinda,
Wobbly, jolly.
it's still a bit liquid though. Okay, so, kayak masih kayak liquid kayak itu lihat. Okay, so now we have a spoon and now we're going to see if the experiment works. But I'm not going to try this. I don't want to get poisoned.
I don't
And
like
so our
yogurt.
cameraman here, oh my god, our cameraman, he's going to try it for us.
He's literally holding the camera.
So if he gets poisoned or if he goes to the bathroom and gets excessive diarrhea or if he throws up on the spot, it's not our fault. It's not our fault. Okay, so.
It's definitely gonna work.
Oh my god. If you die, it's not our fault,
Can
yeah?
you smell it? Smell.
Weird.
Itu apa bau aneh?
Oh, aneh.
Kakak kan nggak pernah nyium yogurt.
Eat it, eat it, eat it. Guys, he did this. He asked to do this. We did not force him. Don't sue us.
Krem kan?
I want to see. Stand back.
Okay, I'll stand back.
No,
I am
take
so
like a big. Oh, that's okay. That's a lot. Never mind. Eat it, eat it.
I'm just gonna stay back on you.
More. No, like one big spoonful.
Is it good?
If you want to. If you don't want to, it's fine.
Is it good?
Is it good or bad? Oh. Is it good or bad?
Sweet.
Okay. Sweet but weird. Yeah, okay. This is kind of sweet, also bit like a bit metallic, and it's kind of hard to describe. Bit weird, but kind of good. So I would say that is a success. Use more sugar though. Tastes a bit bland. Alright guys, so that'll be it for another crazy and wacky video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I kind of did. It was fine I guess. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.